So this is that point where you have decided we are the right fit. This is exciting. We're going to bring you into the office and you'll meet with me and we're going to do the contract signing. This also entails preparing for your remodel. We're going to cover a folder of information to just really think through these things to, make sure everything is good to go for that start date. And we'll talk through things like, making sure everything is cleaned out. And we do a good job of just kind of thinking of everything and can be a really good help to making this a smooth experience from that, get-go. And then we're going to move on. I'll let Anthony kind of take on from here what the rest of that timeline looks like before that start date.
Yeah, so a lot of it, after we go through design, we'll have a post-design walkthrough. Basically, that's kind of where we button up any questions from the client on their project. We'll go through the selections, the construction process, kind of go through and kind of button up any questions. We'll have a pre-construction walkthrough 30 days before your project starts. A lot of the time, sometimes on these projects to get designed, we'll have a little bit of lag time from post-design to pre-construction. And so that pre-construction meeting is mainly just to kind of refresh it in the project manager's eyes and the designers as well. And sometimes the homeowners, if they have any outstanding questions, we can kind of get things buttoned up. Once we get started, we'll basically prep everything. The more items that a client can have off the walls from the front door to the work area, the better. So we'll go through, put floor protection down from the front door to the work area. And to any breaker panel, water shut off. We're really big on protecting the client's home and making for a livable remodeling experience.
We have a team that is specifically what they do is the prep work, the demo work, and they take what they do very seriously and do a really thorough job with that. So all of these things, this is just on the front end. There's a lot that goes into these remodeling projects that probably doesn't get talked about often or enough. And we are going to have everything covered for you to, like I said, create a really positive experience where you guys don't have to stress at all. And it actually will make it a fun process along the way too.
Yeah, and one of the things to add to that is and when we're working in bathrooms, basements, all the adjacent rooms, we typically ask for clients to stay out of. Part of the reason is just because, it's a working area and we'll go through, push all the furniture up to the walls, plastic everything off. It helps kind of prevent things from getting damaged. There's a lot of tools and materials that go in and out of the spaces. Typically anything on the walls, any little tchotchkes on furniture and stuff, we'll ask for people to remove.
Dust machines on the job and everything too, and all the protection to kind of separate that interfering with your life in other areas of your home. We want this to be a comfortable process for you. We are in your home for a good duration of time and really want to make sure you can go about your day-to-day as normal as possible. So with all that being said, our team takes the prep of your home very seriously to make sure you do not have to worry about, is something going to be misplaced? Is something going to be damaged? Are we going to, is there going to be so much dust and a mess? We're taking all of that into consideration and doing our part to make sure you don't have to think about that. But we're going to talk through it too. So it'll all ease your mind and you will see the thorough job. It may seem a little over the top even in the beginning, but we can assure you that we're doing things the right way and do go above and beyond as this is a really important part of the project.